Welcome back, family, to my YouTube channel. This is Professor Robert Vollay here. I'm glad you were able to make it. That's part of all your busy schedule. You were able to find a few minutes to come and sit in here or listen to what I have to say with respect to some basic and general information that will guide you into the area of career development, that will also provide coaching for personal and professional development. And of course, if you are somebody who knows about some school administrators or teachers, of course, part of my lecture here on this channel will be to provide academic and instructional support for schools through workshops, lectures, and what have you, for their own improvement and growth for their academic standard in their schools. So in my last video, I was able to outline the three subject areas, three main areas of discussion for this channel or on this channel. The first thing that I will be focusing on the channel will have to do with career development strategies. So we'll be giving you basic talks about how to get in the right career field, your dream career that will actually give you the fulfillment that you want. The next set of talks that will be on this platform will have to do with academic and instructional support for schools. Like I'll provide workshop in many areas, lecture in many areas for school development, school improvement, and of course the growth of that school's integrity. My third strategies or talks, which will actually be in the form of coaching, will have to do with personal and professional development coaching. And I gave you some key notes and some strategies in that area when it comes to personal and professional development with full support in the coaching arena. So we are about to dive into the nitty-gritty of career development strategies. And let me start off by saying, the fact is, when it comes to career, you got to find what you love, because your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Take that from me, I'm speaking from experience. So the first thing I'll have to do is, there are several terminologies, several words that we know.